So I'm going to install the 4K Ultra Clear Dashcam. Got this off of Amazon. My only issue, I'm hoping that, because I want to install it here and then run the wires under the panel, down the wall there, out and under the mat, and then it should be then linked to right over here into the cigarette lighter. My only problem that could possibly happen is that I don't have a long enough USB cord to run it from here, from there, all the way around to the actual power source, which means then I'll have to purchase and get one. So I purchased the Redtiger dash cam. I saw it online, had good reviews. So let's crack open and see what's in it. Okay, so should be the dash cam itself. Dash cam with 3M sticky tape. Perfect. In here, that should work. Huh. Maybe not. Oh, sweet. So the good thing is, it actually came with the liner puller. I'm not sure what the exact name of this tool is. Therefore, I'm able then to put it in here and pull back the liner. I forgot the exact name it is. If you know the name of it, I'm just drawing a blank right now. Comment below. So we're actually supposed to come with the unit. You have the dash cam, comes with the rear camera as well. Power supply, camera, cable, 3M adhesive, electric stack sticker. That's what it is. Car wire trim tool. Clips and a 32 gig micro SD card. So the problem is I cannot find the micro SD card. No problem, I have spares. It's just weird that it doesn't come with it. And it's funny because it says F9 dash cam package comes with an SD card. And then the second point, it says you'll need a micro SD card sold separately. So that is interesting there. And I even checked the slot where it's supposed to be in the camera itself, and it's not available because it's supposed to be in here. So just a heads up, Redtiger, no micro SD, but again, I have micro SDs, other micro SDs, so it won't be an issue. Just I didn't expect. Again, the reason why I purchased this was I expected to have a micro SD. Therefore, just one less thing to purchase and one less thing to worry about. I just find it funny that the first point says it comes with an SD card, but the second point it says you will need a micro SD card sold separately. And as well, the user manual literally states that it comes with a micro SD card. So funny thing is, I got my mom the same product, and hers actually came with the SD card, which is there. So SD card came with the SD card, and it also came with these clips. Mine did not come with the clips. And these clips actually help with where do you want to put your actual wires. So I got gypped. I think I understand because my box didn't come wrapped with shrink wrap. Mine, like my box when it came in, didn't have any shrink wrap on it. Hers did, which again identifies a package that was not opened. So be worried about that when you purchase items from Amazon, that you have all the parts. Now that kind of discouraged me because mine could be a defective product. So hopefully there's no defects on the product I purchased, but we'll see what happens. It's connected to the cigarette lighter, which is there. I'm going to run the line along here, up and under here, and then hopefully find a way. It looks like there's a space up there. Feed it in, come up here, through here. So run this all along this channel here, and then come around here and then install it around here. Okay, so in doing this, I literally pulled down my full glove box, and I'm going to stick my hand underneath, and you'll see my hand popping up from there, which makes it a lot easier for what I'm going to do. So fingers are there, therefore it's perfect. I can pull it up from here and then just literally do channels going from here straight up, and that should be okay. Okay, so it looks again from here, and then what I did under there, temporary for now, I fed it under the floor mat, but then under the carpet there, comes out here, and then comes over here. So now I just need to figure out how to go from there to up here, and then I'll be in business. So that took longer than I expected, but it's done. So the plug, the line runs from here, that goes under, right under, fed it under here, all the way around here, and then it comes out here. So the line's here, runs up this channel like this into here, the pillar, and then up and around, and now I'm gonna hook it up around here. So it's all up and running, which is great. The dash cam is snug fit. Over here, when you have the light flashing, that means it is recording. The only visible cable that's here right now is a cable that goes from the dash cam up to the headliner, across here, and then it comes down the pillar, and then from the pillar, I snuck it, if you see right there, this piece of the cable sticking out, which is right here, straight down here, comes out, and then I backed it in all the way back there, and then it comes up here, and boom, right there. The good thing with, I like what they did with it, the cigarette charger, it actually allows you, if you want to use your USB-A connection, it does not limit you on that, which is great. It actually adds an additional one. My car, the 2019 Santa Fe, it has one USB-A auxiliary, another USB-A, and now I got 3 USB-As, which is kind of sweet. And even when I'm looking at there, it actually gives you a light, which is, it's a little nice. It's pretty neat. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like on the outside. And if it works out well, you actually will see me record myself. So there you have it there, which is pretty sweet. And now in the driver's seat, you'll see that it doesn't obstruct my view, which is great, and that's exactly what you need. If I didn't have a transponder here, I would actually probably would have mounted this here, but because I do, that's why it's there, which is kind of neat. Yeah. Overall, I'll say difficulty in regards to this product itself. If you know how to pull back the pillars and such with the trim tool, and just if you want to hide away the cables, honestly, I think that was the most difficult aspect of this whole install. Then I'll say I'll give this whole thing maybe a 4 out of 10. If you just wanted to just connect the dash cam straight to the cigarette lighter, 1, if that, to be honest with you. I really prefer to have a lot of cable management, ensure everything is just hidden in that sense rather than it out in the open. There's more distraction. But I'll review this in the next couple weeks, see how it goes. You'll see a few videos as well and clips on my drive to and from work or anywhere I go. Therefore, again, you see the quality of the Redtiger camera. I like the fact that it does record in 4K. Therefore, it actually gives you better quality. And again, I'll show you what it looks like in the app. Therefore, you have a little bit more information and so on and so forth. Anyways, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Take care.